as a the power m plus n is equals to a the power m into a the power n, this equation can be written as 7 the power 2x minus 8 into 7 the power x plus 1 as 7 the power x into 7 plus 343 equals to 0. Now we can write this equation as a 7 the power 2x minus 8 into 7 as 56 into 7 the power x plus 343 is equals to 0. To simplify this equation, we assume 7 the power x is equals to y. So we can write this equation as y square minus 56y plus 343 is equals to 0. Now, to find the factor of this quadratic equation, we need to break minus 56 into two parts such that the addition of that number should be equal to 56, but multiplication of that number should be equal to 343. So to satisfy this equation, we will get one number as a minus 49 and second number minus 7. Therefore, I will write this equation as a y square minus 49y minus 7y minus 49y minus 7y is equal to minus 56y plus 343 is equals to 0. Now I am taking out y from the first two part of the equation. What is left? Y minus 49, and I will take out minus 7 from the last two part of the equation. I will get y minus 49 as 7 into 49 is equals to 343. Now in this equation, y minus 49 is common. I am taking out y minus 49. What is left? Y minus 7. So y minus 49 into y minus 7 is equals to 0. Hence we get the two factor of y equal to 49 and y equal to 7. When y equal to 49, and I can write 49 as a 7 square, right? And y is equals to 7x, means 7 the power x is equals to 7 square. When the bases are same, power should be same. So x will be equal to 2. And when y is equals to 7, means 7 the power x is equals to 7, x should be equal to 1. Hence we get the two solution of the given equation, x equals to 1 and x equals to 2.